Once again, you can actually add in the back even a handle or encoder. So this will be nice for Z-axis. I want to sell all this for just $19.99, and because it's a heavy motor and everything, I probably need to build a box and charge $8.50 for shipping, parcel post. So I want to measure in the pictures, and well, Superior Electric slow sync stepped motor, 2-phase. I want to left each phase separate and, you know, twisted pairs. So well, this is what you have, and is what I said. I do this before, and I make a Z-axis. Again, you just require the bolt screws or whatever other way to move your axis, and put those on the side. And you know you have to build something for your Z-axis. So $19.99 plus $8.50 shipping, USPS, parcel post. Thank you for watching.